Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 3.0 D300 110 X-Dynamic HSE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini black. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, which are brilliant for illuminating the roads ahead of you, especially in those low light conditions. Along with 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a satin dark grey finish, really complementing against the Santorini black exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the car, you can find that this vehicle does in fact come with a full-size spare wheel, and once open you can see that it does in fact have a 7-seat configuration, allowing you to carry up to 2 extra passengers. And when those extra seats are down, you can see that you've got a large amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Also located within your boot is your deployable tow bar controls. The tow bar allows you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps a caravan for those weekend getaways. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony interior. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which are ideal for small children's car seats. Moving in through the front, you can find your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system. Once again, you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 19,189 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. You also have a closed light interior rear view mirror, which just allows you to have an unobstructed view of anything behind you. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with your Android Auto and Apple Carplay, which allows you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. You also have your 4x4 information, weight sensing, and of course your terrain response drive modes, all these individual features making the car suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you might go or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. You also have front heated and ventilated seats, ideal for the hot summer months as well as those colder winter ones. And pairing with this, you also have a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, ensuring you always travel comfortably. And finally, you also have a 360 view camera, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. This has been a presentation on a Land Rover Defender 3.0 D300 110 X-Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.